You don't have this habit. I am sorry to tell you and remind you, you are interviewing the former president.
Yes.
Please have the necessary courtesy.
Yes, sir.
Don't interrupt. I am sorry to
No,
tell you.
absolutely.
I am not eager to appear on the screen.
Sir. No, I
You
just
have
want to
invited me. Firstly, you cannot raise your voice.
understand. My apologies.
जी, ये इंटरव्यू है, इंट्रोगेशन नहीं है। पीछे बैठ के मेरे साथ बात करो।
चलिए मैं पीछे बैठता हूँ।
और इंटरव्यू है, इंटरव्यू में आवाज नहीं ऊपर होती।
ये जो लोगों में एक, या तो आप कहेंगे तो ये प्रोपेगेंडा है, लेकिन कि आप और अमित शाह के बीच में कुछ न कुछ डील है कि जहां बीजेपी को, जहां मुस्लिम समुदाय 15% से ज्यादा है, वहां आप जाकर चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल सही फरमाए कि वो डील आपके ही घर पे हुई थी। आपके ही घर पे लंच हुआ था, वेजिटेरियन लंच था। आपने कहा कि नहीं वो बैठे वेजिटेरियन है, तो मैं आपके ही साथ खाया था। आप ही जिम्मेदार है उसके। वो डील आप करवाए थे, मैंने ही करवाया था। मैं तो आपकी मोहब्बत में फिदा हूं।
This was a cricket book we are launching, and probably Rajdeep's favorite captains, which are Dhoni, Dravid, Pataudi, Bedi, Kohli, Azharuddin, Sachin, myself, Gavaskar and Kapil. So I don't see a politician here, so I don't know why this question is. And secondly, Rajdeep, you just got scolded by the former president of India on TV. You remember that or not? Now I am younger to you. I am your friend, and I can't scold you. So
Look, I have a bad
you still take such risks in life. That, you know.
हमारे साथ देश के सबसे पावरफुल व्यक्ति है, नहीं नरेंद्र मोदी जी नहीं है हमारे साथ है मुकेश अंबानी जी। जब मैंने कहा कि सबसे पावरफुल या ताकतवर व्यक्ति हमारे साथ है, किस तरह से आप देखते हैं? आप मानते हैं?
नहीं, मैं ये नहीं मानता हूँ। मैं आपको सीरियसली लेता नहीं।
Let me ask you, amidst all the celebrityhood, when is Sania going to settle down? Is it going to be in Dubai? Is it going to be in any other country? What about motherhood? Building a family? I don't see that in the book. It seems that you don't want to retire just yet to settle down.
You don't think I'm settled?
Well, you don't seem to talk as yet of retirement. You don't talk in the book about raising a family, motherhood. What's life beyond tennis going to be?
You sound disappointed that I'm actually not choosing motherhood over being #1 in the world at this point of time. But I'll answer your question anyway. That's a question that I face all the time as a woman. That's one of the questions as women we have to face all the time. First is marriage and then is motherhood. Unfortunately, that's when we are settled. And no matter how many Wimbledons we win or #1 in the world we don't become settled. But yeah, eventually it will happen. Not right now, but eventually it will happen. And when it does happen, I will be the first one to tell everybody when I plan to do that.
I must apologize in a sense. I think I phrased that question very badly. I promise you, you're right. I would never ask this question to a male athlete, when are you settling down?
How to be within ourselves, the mechanics of human mechanics is something that we have explored so extensively in this country. The knowledge is there and unfortunately it is falling apart. If you don't install this now, it would go away. Anyway, International Day of Yoga is 100% resolution by 172 nations. How will Narendra Modi or Sadhguru come into the picture?
Because Sadhguru and Narendra Modi in their own way have identified completely with it. You are a beneficiaries in a sense. You're addressing the UN on International Day of the Yoga. He's going to have hundreds of people in a sense lining up with him to celebrate yoga, and therefore it will be believed in the age of marketing which we live in. This is a wonderful way to market the brand. Nothing wrong with it. I'm not being judgmental. I'm just wondering whether the brand building is part of the process.
See, if something is done well, people have problems. If something is not done well, of course you're going to rubbish it. If it is done well, it's brand building. If it's not done well, you're no good. What is the problem in this country?
Where do you stand on this whole intolerance-tolerance debate? Many other stars have spoken about it. Do you believe that we have become a more intolerant society?
You know, Rajdeep, I don't know how journalists address this issue, but really, I'm not qualified to answer this question at all. I'm the least educated person as far as these issues are concerned.
You're being diplomatic. You don't want to fall into a trap.
No. So, okay, so you're admitting that this is some kind of a trap for me.
No, I'm not.
So, okay, so you're admitting that this is some kind of a trap for me.
For not only Narendra Modi, but even his little sister by Rajdeep Sardesai would be so evident in an interview like this.
Meenakshi Lekhi. No, I have never. I have high respect for you and I have high respect for Modi ji. So I want to clarify that, but I want
seen your respect on many
Meenakshi
occasions.
Lekhi tweets saying, do I smell a rat to obfuscate the BJP National Executive meeting?
Tweet?
Attempts being made not to cover National Executive instead of covering
tweet?
some inane
What
issues.
is the next tweet?
She says,
What is the next tweet? Read the tweet.
so you're saying that
Read the next tweet.
many
What is
people
the
at
next tweet?
She says, please read, whoever wants to quote or play the recent tweets, please play both to avoid any spin or confusion.
No, but read this tweet which says that I make no kind of indications towards Smriti ji.
Okay.
Why are you leaving that deliberately out?
So you believe that the...
Why are you leaving it deliberately out?
Okay.
Are you telling me that a woman in this country will be violated only so that she can make a headline? Is that your charge as a man or as a journalist?
No, my charge is that there are people within possibly your own party or your own critics
concoct things
or
on
your
the
own
behalf
critics
of so-called
or
people.
own critics.
What does Rajdeep Sardesai think?
I
That
think-
I concoct issues
No, I
so
think
I
that
can be
Smriti
in the
Irani is an
headlines
extremely
and
talented
be
woman.
violated so that Rajdeep Sardesai can ask me about it in an interview?
Okay. So you think that this that the Fab...
What do you think about it as a man and as a journalist?
I think what happened in the Fab India issue, those who tried to raise a controversy suggesting that you had deflected
No, I'm
attention from it.
asking what Rajdeep Sardesai
Rajdeep
thinks about the
Sardesai-
incident.
Rajdeep Sardesai thinks that Smriti Irani has every reason to raise the issue.
That's it.
Okay.
End of story.
Okay, end of
Next
story.
question.
किस तरह से आप देखते हैं?
मैं राजदीप सरदेसाई को शुभकामनाएं देता हूं कि वो पिछले 10 साल से इस मुद्दे के भरोसे जी रहे हैं। इसी मुद्दे के भरोसे सुनना पड़ेगा भाई
जी बिल्कुल।
इसी मुद्दे के भरोसे उनकी रोजी रोटी चलती है
जी।
और मैंने सुना था कि मोदी को गाली देने वालों को राज्यसभा की सीट मिलती है, मोदी को गाली देने वालों को पद्मश्री मिलता है, पद्म भूषण मिलता है। तो मेरी राजदीप सरदेसाई को शुभकामना है कि आप अपना ये अभियान जारी रखिए और आप भी ऐसे मित्रों की मदद से राज्यसभा में पहुंच जाइए। आप भी ऐसे मित्रों की मदद से पद्मश्री